your app can't locate the Counter library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. This DLL file is a performance monitoring library used by Windows and certain third-party tools to track system metrics. It collects data regarding CPU usage, memory allocation, and disk activity for system analysis and reporting. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. The Counter library DLL is distributed specifically with Windows OS Core and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Windows OS Core to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Counter library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. If you're attempting to register the Counter library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for the Counter library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved the Windows OS Core error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.